Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your JuiceBox charger in the Enel X app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Enel X app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. Connect your JuiceBox charger to a power source if you haven't already. Make sure your JuiceBox charger is plugged in and powered on. Locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the options. Look for the Devices section in the menu. Select Devices to view your connected devices. Tap on Add a device if your JuiceBox charger does not appear in the list. Choose JuiceBox from the available device options. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the pairing process. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for a smooth connection. Once the app detects your charger, select it from the list. Enter the required authentication code when prompted. This code is typically found on a sticker on your JuiceBox charger. Confirm the code by tapping the Authenticate button. Wait for the app to process your request. You will receive a notification once the authentication is successful. After successful authentication, your JuiceBox charger will be ready for use. Explore the app features for additional settings and monitoring options. Make sure to keep your app updated for the best performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.